Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing or an unpackaging, I guess, because it's technically not a box, but this package came from Born Pretty. I can't wait to get into it and see what we got. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, let's see what we got. So, all shine on me. I see 6 bottles, I think, are in this box. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we're working with. Okay, so what we have here is this little pamphlet, and it basically just tells you how to prep your nails and how to use the product correctly. This box has 6 7.5 milliliter bottles of reflective glitter polishes. Now, what I like about these glitters is that they are sparkly straight out of the bottle. If you've purchased reflective glitters in the past, you'll know that some of them come out of the bottle like really dull and almost like ashy looking until the flash hits them. But these glitters are literally sparkling right out of the bottle. Like, do you see that? Like, they are gorgeous. These bottles are 7.5 milliliters, like I was saying, and they have a little decorative window in front so you can see what color is in the bottle. Wait a minute, look at that. Look at that sparkle, y'all. Just be careful of where you set your bottle so that you don't accidentally cure what's inside, due to that little bitty window right there. But yeah, these are absolutely stunningly gorgeous, and I just know they're going to look so good when I use them, and I do plan to use them very soon. But yeah, the fact that they are sparkly straight out of the bottle and they don't need a flash to do what it is that they're supposed to do, I absolutely love that. I'm going to swatch these a little bit later, but I'm going to see what we have next. All right, so up next we have this silver liner paint gel, and this is actually a metallic silver, and I have some metallic gel paints, but they're in pots. I really like that this brush is built in to the bottle and I don't have to use a separate brush. This is also a 7.5 milliliter bottle, but it does not have that open window in front like the glitter does. I really like how thin this brush is. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some nice, clean lines and swirls when I do use it. So yeah, the length is good and the thickness of the brush is great. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to swatching my glitters. With these glitters, I decided to use a black swatch stick as opposed to a clear one, just to give you a better idea of the coverage. Because over a clear swatch stick you wouldn't be able to see, as well. So I believe that these glitters would work well with one coat over a similar solid or opaque gel polish. You may not necessarily need 2 coats of the glitter over a similar color. I think you would still get that reflective effect if it was done, over a similar color. But because we're using black swatch sticks, I am going to do 2 coats of glitter and 1 coat of no wipe top coat. Now this gold is really pretty because it is more of a champagne kind of gold. It's not as stark and bright as your typical gold. I could see this being really pretty for like a New Year's Eve set of nails, or some sort of special occasion. It is a really, really pretty gold. Now, what I like about these next 2 glitters is that they both have like a pearlescent, almost iridescence to them. This one is more purpley blue, and you'll see the next one is more of a, I would say, purpley pink kind of pearlescent color shift, but they are both very, very pretty. I already have ideas in mind with how I'm going to use these 2 particular glitters because they are genuinely really, really pretty. This one again is more in the, I would say, pinky purple kind of family. It's given very much mother of pearl, super pretty, and I love it. So our final color is silver, and this is not your typical standard silver glitter. It's not just a flat silver. There are flecks of other colors within this silver glitter that make it pop just a little bit more. This one is probably one of my favorites, along with the gold and those two pearlescent colors that I showed you earlier. So I have done my second coat of glitter and my top coat off camera. I just wanted to show you what they look like with a flash on versus off. And this is on right now. And I just turned it off. But they are really sparkly with and without a flash. And I think that is so amazing because I have had some glitters that are just very, very flat. And to be quite honest, I don't even use some of them because they are so dull. These can stand alone without a flash, and I just absolutely love them for that. Yeah, definitely look into grabbing these. I'm going to show you one by one what they look like. And again, keep in mind, I did use black swatch sticks. This is 2 coats of glitter and 1 coat of top coat. And just look at that sparkle. They are super pretty. So now we're going to go into using this silver liner paint gel. And again, this is a metallic silver. I am going to be using this on a black swatch stick, but I did put down a very thin layer of black gel polish just to be sure that the, silver paint has something to adhere to. And first up, I want to say that the way that this was gliding on this polish, there was no skipping. I got full coverage, very thin liner brush, and I love that. I do not like doing line work or swirls or anything with a thick bristled brush. For me, the thinner the better. I know a lot of people like to use I guess shorter brushes for their line work. This particular brush is perfect. It's not too long, it's not too short, and it is the right thickness. I decided to take a little out of the bottle and put it on a palette and just see how it performed with dots. Sometimes like gel paint can be too thick and the dots will not cure properly, but I did not have that issue with this particular gel paint. It did cure just fine. I cured it for 60 seconds and I didn't have any wrinkling or, bubbling or anything like that with any of the lines or dots that I put down. Everything cured beautifully. This also will be linked down below in the description box. And yeah, I can already see that I want to get gold because I do like the convenience of the brush already being built in. So yeah, definitely check that out. I am going to go ahead and just top coat this nail and cure it. And yeah. So this is the final look. This is cured for 60 seconds. I don't have any complaints. It cured beautifully. Be sure to check out my description box. Everything will be linked down below. And yeah, I am very happy with the gel paint and the glitters as well. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.